Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to create edible digital party favors labels to sell over on Etsy. This was actually a requested video. Several of you all have reached out to me wanting to know how I sell my digital designs on Etsy. Selling digital party favors is an awesome way to make passive income. Making the files editable for your customers will eliminate you having to personalize each and every order. Once you create the file, you don't have to do anything else but share the link with your customers and they can do the personalization themselves. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all an example on how to make an edible party favor label using canva.com and how you're going to share that with the customer. So if you're interested, stay tuned and make sure you watch the video to the end. I also wanted to mention, if you all find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's hop into the video. Alright, so for this video example, I'm going to be creating a chip bag, and I have a ton of videos here on my YouTube channel showing you how I create chip bags over on Canva. I use my template that I created for Canva to create this chip bag, and if you're interested in the template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. So I created my design. But this is not what I want to send to the customer because everything can be moved and changed and I don't want the customer changing anything. So what I would do is I will duplicate this design. I would take out the pieces that I want to be editable. Like I want the back side of this to be editable, so I will eliminate that. I want them to be able to change the age up here. And I want the name part to be editable. Right? And I want to keep everything else the same. Let me fix this. Okay. Now, I want to save this as an image. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save this as a PNG file and I'm going to download it. Okay, so after you downloaded that image, you want to re-upload it back to Canva. And my screen may look different because I'm using Canva Pro and I have my design saved in folders. But if you don't have Pro, you can find all of your uploads under the Upload tab. So I have my design uploaded, and what I want to do, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add a new page here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to upload it and I'm going to right click and I want to set image to background. Now that the image is set to background, it's part of the page. Next, I just want to scroll back up to the original design where I have my text at, just here. And I just want to copy the text. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it back in place. We can delete this page so we won't confuse ourselves here. So I'm going to go up and I want to copy this text and I want to put it back in place. Now, this is what I want to share with the customer. Now, when the customer receives this file, they're not going to be able to change any of the clip arts, anything like that. They are only going to be able to edit the text. So they can go here and edit this. They can go here and click on there to edit, and they can click here to edit. Before you actually share the link with the customer, I recommend making a copy of the design as your master copy. In your copy design, I will go in and delete the master copy. That's the copy that everything can be edited. The cliparts, backgrounds, delete that copy and only leave the copy that you want to share with the customer. So this is the page. As you can see, the background, the cliparts, none of that can be edited. And I would just duplicate this so that 2 copies can be on here. You can click here to rename this so it can be easy for you to find. And you can click the share tab to share this link with the customer. You either can put in their email address, or you can click copy here and it will copy the link. Make sure it says edit. You will copy the link, and this is the link that you will share with your customer. Now, if you're going to be selling your products as instant downloads, what you would need to do is create a PDF like this. Creating a PDF file will allow you to sell your products as a digital download. So your customer would instantly be able to download the PDF, and you can include the link that we just copied from Canva that will take them directly to whatever particular design that they purchase. Now, in the PDF, you want to make sure you include some instructions on how to use Canva, and also you want to include in the PDF and also in the product description what the customer is able to edit and not edit. So you definitely want to mention that the background clip arts are not subject to change, and they are only able to change the font size and color. And that's it, guys. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. If you're interested in opening your own Etsy shop selling your own party printables and favors, you can click my referral link in the description box down below and get 40 free listings. And if you're interested in any of my templates, you can find them down in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.